welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue water slime. It's a super easy recipe and only needs 2 ingredients. So yeah, also guys, a hashtag notification squad for my last video is also please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a super easy recipe on how to make water slime. So this no glue slime recipe is kind of hard to make, but in today's video, I'm going to show you guys an easy way on how to make it, and hopefully it works well for all you guys. So ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is of course water. You can use any type. I'm just using this Fiji one. Then you guys will need any type of thick soap. You can use shampoo, hand soap, any kind. You guys will need a boiler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Okay, so what I'm first going to do is I'm going to add my soap into my boiler plate. And I might not have enough of this because I did film another video with this soap. So I'm going to use my hand soap. And you can use a mixture of soaps. Nothing is wrong with that. And now I'm just going to get mixing this up till it gets bubbly. Okay, that looks like just enough mixing. And now this is the important part. You want to add in the water. You do not want to add too much water or else it will get watered down. It will make the slime runny and it will just turn into goo, which is not what you want. So I'm only going to add just that much. You might be thinking, why would you even add water? I feel like the water thickens it up a little bit, so that's why I add it. But the water is really optional. You can go without the water and you can just have a normal soap slime recipe. And there's a hair in my spoon, but now I'm going to get mixing this up again for another minute. Okay, that looks like just enough mixing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Only 2 hours will do it for the slime recipe, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it, mix it up, make sure it's working. If it looks like it's a little bit on the runny side, you can sure add in some more soap, and if it looks like it needs water, add in a few drops of water. So I'll see you guys in about a second when this no glue slime recipe is all done. Okay guys, 2 hours later, here it is. I did add a drop of food coloring in here just because the color was not that good looking for a slime recipe, so I did add a little bit of blue food coloring in here. And let's see how this worked out. Oh my god, look at this. Let me pick it up and show you guys. Look how awesome this no glue slime recipe is. It's very stringy, which happens often with soap slime recipes, so I'm just going to get mixing this up. Okay, that looks like just enough mixing, and look at this blue color. It made such a nice clear slime recipe. It did get quite foggy, but it happens either way with slime recipes, even the no glue slime recipe. But look how awesome this slime is. I'm so shocked it turned out great. And I'm really happy I added in food coloring because if I didn't, I feel like it would be a really off blue color and a little bit of pink from the hand soap, which I have right here. But this recipe turned out amazing. It's super fluffy now that I mixed it all together because of all the soap, of course. But look how nice this slime recipe is. But yeah, this no glue slime recipe is so easy to make, and I really hope you guys liked this video today. It was a quick video, but I thought I'd get it up for you guys since you guys have been loving my no glue slime recipes. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Remember to check out all my social medias. It will be linked down below. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace. Remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes.